Well, hello everyone, welcome to another live stream. Hi there, I'm Tired, hi there, Stamp Gaming, hi the Lemon, hi the Matt, hi the Beardman, hi the Whitey, hi the Mark, hi the Happy, and hi Remco. Hi Remco, oh no, oh no. How would you rate the video? I'm assuming you've seen it. So if you have seen it, how would you rate it? Because it actually, I'm worried now. Hi the Farmer Main. Dude with the math video. Yeah, it's me. Watch it with half concentration. To be fair, half concentration, there wouldn't be much of a difference between half concentration and full concentration because, you know, I liked it on half concentration. Okay, good. There isn't much difference between full concentration and half concentration because that video, I rushed it so much. My goodness. I don't know what I was thinking with explaining the basics of quantum mechanics in a single 15-minute video. It was a bad idea. Really bad idea. Parliament's my favorite. Hi, the farm main. Hi, welcome. Time to sleep. Just the stream is about to start. Alright, Beardman, bye. See ya. But I did not notice any mistakes. That's good. So, yeah, okay. To be fair, I was doing it with a textbook mostly, so there shouldn't be any mistakes. I was careful. Fitzpatrick's textbook on LibraText, and Fowler too, as a backup. Was Disney coherent and correct / accurate? I mean, it was funny, which is, I would say, kind of, that's a win. You know what? I'm gonna count this as a win. It was funny, and that's all you can wish for, honestly. Should a video with deeper detail sounds better, I'm being honest. Well then, Stamp. You won't believe it, but today's live stream is called the resting-ish stream, precisely because we will be resting a fair bit, but at the same time, we'll also be scripting videos. And one of those videos will be about wave-particle duality. Oh, lovely. First of all, most important, LibraText. 2 fish in the tank, and one fish in another. I know how to drive this thing. What's with the Euro flag? I'm a European. A proud European. Permission to buy a pharmacy for taking breaks to crack stupid joke instead of doing medicine walk. Absolutely not. Remco, if there is one thing we're all about, it's taking breaks to crack a stupid joke. That's like half of my videos. I would just like to mention that I started the photoelectric effect segment by mentioning Einstein waking up and just smoking 3 blunts. Good, funny enough though, apparently when you talk about smoking weed in jokes in videos, that's still monetizable, which is good. I did have to mention that I made these jokes in the, like a safety guidelines kind of, what you want to call it, rating, but it is demonetizable, which I wasn't expecting, to be honest. I was expecting my video to get kind of demonetized, which is good. With 3 simultaneous blunts. Who doesn't, right? Muffleness prefer only differentiating function, not deriving. I prefer deriving because it's so cool, it's much cooler. I like deriving. Differentiating. I have heard differentiating a lot. That is true. But I've never liked it because it's changing up the words and my tiny brain can't comprehend that. Never heard of a nationalist European. Oh, I am nationalist European all the way. I am proud of live, laugh, legislate. How am I supposed to do my physics on my crack? Switch to something stronger. EU greater than US, you're goddamn right. I am all for Europe, so should do it well. Have you found your graviton? Ouch! Oh, that's rough. Okay. What we're gonna do today is, first of all, we're gonna rest a fair bit more. So we're going to be it's gonna be a bit more of a chilled stream, you know. We might play some finals, we might play some other games. It probably will be a longer one. I'm still recovering from being sick, but I can feel that this will be probably the last day because I no longer am dying. I'm just kind of recovering at this point, which is good. Physics gets weed, psychology gets cocaine. Derive were usually used when talking about proving or motivating formulas or theories. I use just both. I just use derive for both. I guess I see your point. I see your point, and I have heard people say differentiate a lot more than derive. That is true. A valet. I used valet for one of them in the past. 4 textbooks should be enough, and what we want today is wave-particle duality in all of them. So, 1D quantum mechanics should be it. Then concepts from classical mechanics. No. Schrödinger equation. I really like how they all just start with different... Okay, so this one might not be too... Well, harmonic oscillator. Harmonic oscillator might be useful for this, actually. I feel like the harmonic oscillator could actually fit in fairly well with the wave-particle duality. Back to the derivative, looking what shells are coming and winning. Seashells on the seashore, but the value of these shells will fall due to the low supply and demand than one supply shell because there's low on the sand. Step 1, you must create a sense of scarcity. Shells so much better if people think they're rarity. But with me, take as many shells as you can find them, hide them all night, left stockpile them, hide the rarity and diamond. Step 2 must make people think that they want the really fucking want. They hit it like Johnson, influence, product placement, future prime time entertainment. If you haven't got the shell, then you're just a fucking waste man. Free its monopoly, that's as a property. So I could keep going, but I shouldn't. Your videos really help me. Quantum mechanics from you. Well, Mark, actually, the video I just uploaded probably wouldn't help much because unfortunately, as I mentioned, was rushed. But this one will. This one will help. Quick reset him. New video is pretty good. Thank you, Alex. Textbooks, and it seems to be just starting up. Can I ask you about your background? I don't have a background. I do not have a background. Hence why I use textbooks as my source to make sure that I don't screw up anything. And that's why also I use Remco. Actually, you know what? We're going to start this live stream. Instead of resting, we are going to start it by doing the scripts. Because we have Remco, and and I want to exploit my intents. Summary of things you should already know, and that's not a great graphic for summary of things you should already know. Observable. Oh wait, that's the O operator, isn't it? It is. No, that's Q. Operator Q. Wait, Q? Oh, electric charge, never mind. Okay, makes sense. Good quantum numbers. I still find it hilarious that they're called good quantum numbers. Does that mean they're bad quantum numbers? Sigmund Freud, I will definitely ask him how the fuck he connected potty training struggles with being excessively clean or organized. The whole motherfucker thing. Now, generously time dependent, non-generous perturbation theory? No. Bless me. Do it right now. Eigenstates, H-bar, no. These are all not what we're looking for. Harmonic oscillator will fit in nicely, but let's just go interaction physics of atoms, molecules, and photons. Duality of photons and massive particles, that sounds important. Quantum mechanics, advanced quantum mechanics, Yeah, no. Yeah, no. No, yeah, no. They're just a single page? No, this is just a single page. Actually, that single page might work for me. Obviously. Was it derivative of e to the x? I never remember. Again, so you are making amazing videos. Keep up and good luck. Thank you, 5 Hargreaves. That is the best character. I do agree that 5 is the best character. So I respect that nickname. I really do. Okay, I think that would be it. I feel like this should be enough sources. It's e to the x, natural log of e. Oh, I see. Okay, that makes sense. ETX. Oh, makes sense. Natural log. Natural log. Okay. Okay. That I always forget. What's the reason behind fundraiser? We're just collecting funds for charity, Prevent Cancer Foundation, to prevent cancer. You know, I am not a big fan of cancer. I don't want to find your ETX. You have to move on. Also, you think that this could up season 4? I don't know. Like, yes, it was odd, certainly, but I feel like I really like the fact that they actually finished it. I like the fact that they didn't just continue. I feel like it went on for a bit too long. I really feel like it should have been 3 seasons long, not 4 seasons long. Because the ending seemed a bit too stretched out, and then the pacing at the end was off. But that's just my opinion. I still really like it. What does make it stand for? Make it happen, of course. I stand for what's right. I stand for what's right and correct. Because I'm always right and correct. Is there some graphical, geometrical, or physical analog for complex contour integration? Complex contour integration. Oh, I wouldn't. Quaternions are amazing. I do agree. Quaternions are amazing. Oh, that's another video I'll have to make. Piss! You just reminded me. That's another video I really want to make. Rotations of quaternions. Ah. Make it to the next month. Farmer main, that's optimistic. We prefer make it to the next day. Alright. So I feel like this one would be first, this one would be second, third, harmonic oscillator could be last. I feel like it'll be pretty good. And right here, let's just do sources. And then wave particle duality. And then source 0. All right. Where should I start this? Because I always start with the photoelectric effect and with the a double slit experiment. But I don't know if it's a great place to start. I feel like it is. Make it the rent quota. Isn't like almost 1 AM for make it? I don't know. Maybe it might be. I don't check the time. Hold on, I need to blow my nose. I'm recovering from being sick. I no longer feel sick. It's just that my body is sick. And awesome. Ooh, sunglasses emoji. Peace. Give me a second. I'll just. Ah, damn it. Wasting water. Water is expensive. I can't be wasting that. It's money. I mean, I don't care about the ecological factors. Lord knows, if I was getting paid to ruin the Amazon River, I would have just completely ruined the whole thing. For $2, I would have done it, but... where are you from? I'm from Europe, you won't believe it, but I am. You stop streaming at midnight. You need to sleep, and I need to sleep. Mate, I can. Listen, I can't help it. I need to do daily streams, and it's better to do daily streams early than late, because if I do them late, then I might miss one. Is H-Bar gonna show up in the video? I don't know if even C is gonna show up. Well, I mean, it is going to show up in the video, but I don't know if I should... Oh, actually, yeah, I guess I should explain Planck's and speed of light, shouldn't I? I should explain them as constants. Yeah, we have double slit experiment. I am familiar. Depends on what light is, what the Max Planck. Distribution rotation from to assume light waves emanating from the body take up energy in the form of from quanta. The smallest amount of quantum is determined by the frequency so that h, so that a single quantum has, there we go, h and nu. It sounds nice when they use nu instead of divide by lambda, because it introduces an additional character and it makes things more confusing. So I am do a video on the constants. Funny enough, I will, but I'm gonna do it on mathematical constants first. For the physical constants will take a while. Where's the best resource to understand science? Well, I use library text. That's what I use, as you can clearly see. He might, if I know make it, he might say library text. Greg, how could you guess? Light Planck versus reduced Planck, find structure constant. Yeah, maybe. Graviton, the constant of disappointment. Hell yeah! Isn't 1 divided by 137 mathematical constant? I mean, technically you're not wrong, it is a constant, but what is that the constant of? Photoelectric effect, yeah, right, so this. Even for visible light, the energy of quantum is only on the we do not observe this granular property of light. Okay. Photoelectric effect is covered by a resist study. Light falls on the surface metal becomes positively charged. It's that electrons emitted from the surface of metal, and the conservative physics relies assumption that electrons in the metal absorb the energy light. Quantum following the idea of Planck, Einstein assumed that the energy is in quantum so photoelectric. Yes. Okay. Angular frequency, omega, can write Einstein's equation as this, which is just the same thing, but I'm glad they made it more confusing, because I feel like it was too simple. Oh wait, no, this is wavelength. This is the position wavelength. This is the temporal, right? But still, good. I'm glad we were adding more characters, because it always is too simple. Hey, make it. You ready for New Year? I have not even finished with this year yet. Hold on, I still have work to do. When I'm finished, then I'll be ready for New Year. You said matter wants to lose energy. This concept was simple, but was so... It is counterintuitive, isn't it? The fact that matter wants to lose energy. At least it seems a bit counterintuitive. But actually, it's not really that matter wants to lose energy. It's more like it loses energy. Because basically things with more energy change more. That's what it is. Energy is just change. So things with more energy change more, and so statistically they're more likely to like average out. I guess I should have specified that. Oh well, I did one of the more recent videos. Isn't matter losing energy involved with the entropy? Yes, it is. Simply because that's like the most... Entropy, that's basically the useless energy, which most of the time is just, you know, just very averaged out energy, for the lack of a better word. You're still into chemistry? Yes, I am. And I will be making another chemistry video, but I need to wait for Flame to join in on stream, one of these streams. Flame is going to join and help me with scripting that video, because I am not qualified. So I'm still going to make chemistry videos. Okay. First, we'll have the experiments. We'll start with the famous one, the double slit experiment. Yeah, we're gonna start with the double slit experiment, and we're gonna move to photoelectric, and this time I'm gonna explain in depth what they mean. What thermodynamics laws you should do a video about it. I should, and I will eventually, I'm assuming. What is that chemistry video about? Something organic or more physical chemistry? It's going to be organic reactions. Or rather, reactions, except in a more organic way. So instead of talking about reactions from the perspective of theoretical chemistry and orbitals, I'm going to be talking about electronegativity and the cloud, basically. Okay, that was the experiment. So, start with a laser, if I'm not mistaken. Pointed at two narrow slits. These two slits really small. What's closes these slits? Make it on Reddit. Exactly, that's actually a side hustle I run. It's like a side thing for me. How much does he sleep? I actually sleep a lot. Oh, sorry for the voice crack. Damn it. I am not as healthy as I thought it was. But I actually sleep a lot. Around 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours a day. You can't be productive if you don't sleep enough. Ah, piss, you know what? No, I'm gonna bring myself some tissues because I can't even. I'm still. I really thought I was feeling much better, actually. Fortunately, Past Naked is a genius. Give me a second, I'm almost there. Fortunately, Past Naked is a genius, and Past Naked knew that the future Naked, which is now present Naked, might need some. And so what did Past Naked do? Past Naked bought some tissues. Because Past Naked is clever. It owned future Naked. Oh wait, that's me. No, I'm present. Well, I was. Now I am. I won't be, but now I am. Time is weird, isn't it? Sorry for just talking and still, but as I mentioned, I'm a bit sick. Yesterday I kind of pushed my body to the limit. I really shouldn't have stayed up all night whilst sick in a cold room, just, you know, walking in the video. That was, like, from a health perspective, it's not the best idea I've ever had, because, you know, Past make it fill the fridge. Well, filled is relative, but I have some stuff. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. What is your specialty at? I don't have a specialty. It's actually the opposite for me. I have a generality. I just try to be good at everything I can. Not great at anything, but good at everything. I am not doing too well. I mean, I am fairly decent at quantum mechanics. Generality. I am fairly decent at quantum mechanics and relativity. A bit worse at theoretical chemistry, but still decent because theoretical chemistry is tied up with quantum mechanics, so that carries over. I am getting into organic chemistry recently. I'm also pretty good at computer science. Mathematics a bit worse, but still I manage. And that's kind of it. He's good at failing anything. That's mean. You got a video out at least. Exactly, yeah. It was worth it, I think. Unless this is going to carry over into a bigger infection, but what's going to happen if the light crosses these slits? Well, as we all know, light is a particle. Particle is called a photon. So a laser is just a bunch of light particles. So a bunch of photons traveling in a straightish line. That means that when they reach these two slits, they will just get filtered through them, and on the other side you will end up with two big blobs of light like this. Are you an engineering student? No, I am not. Generality, I need math for nerds to explain why I'm a girl. When I come to, math needs to explain why one's a girl. No, but math should. Laser is Dutch too. What are you complaining about? It's fine, laser, right? Is particles in a way of wave or waves in a way of particles? I have no idea what that means. Is particle in way of wave or waves in way of particles? Well, these are wave particles, so basically they are a wave which we treat as particles. And these are like this, except the only is one pickle. If you perform this experiment in real life, you will see that you do not end up with two blobs of light like so, only a pattern like this, and then that's going to be the interference pattern. That is going to be the interference pattern. Now Planck comes into play here, right? Cricket spectral radiation with Lexon. So the light emerging but taken in quantas mass on the quantum determined by frequency. Okay. Hold on. That was slit. Light is particle, not just a wave, so it has density. It's a long story. It's a long story, sad. It really is. Have you learned this all by yourself or just standing somewhere? Yes, I have learned all of this by myself. I mean, kind of like this, with just, you know, textbooks. I have read through this, so I'm not going to go too much in depth because this is the textbook I've used for the most recent video. So I am also only going to go in here because massive particles exhibit wave-like properties. For instance, now slowly the fringe pattern for simple mono-energetic electrons passing through the slits. The broccoli wavelength. Louis the broccoli, who refers to the particles should have wave-like properties. Now, the broccoli wavelength is generally very small. For instance, that of an electron is this. Okay. You know what? No, I can't do it. I need a break. I need a break. Yesterday, I've spent 10 hours straight walking, and then 2 hours walking gay. So I feel like today we need a break. The initials. You'll better believe it. It's the initials. Of course, it's the initials. Hard mass by extension density control the speed of light. So we know speed of light. Yeah. Any advice on how to understand calculus differential equations? Yes, what are you trying to understand? Are you trying to understand them or are you trying to solve them? If you're trying to understand them, then how math becomes difficult, kind of a video of mine explains it. If you're trying to solve them, however, then you will need... then I would recommend black pen, red pen, because you need someone to actually... Okay, I guess, fine. OBS is just not collaborating. There we go. I would suggest giving up. Of course I'm going to screenshot this. And that's going in Discord. I was just giving up. What games do you play, by the way? Well, mostly the finals. I used to also play Oxygen Not Included a lot. A whole bunch of other ones. Doom Eternal is also there, Satisfactory. Wonderful number for this day. I mean 696. Yeah. Video games. It is video games. We are playing. I don't think Remco's have won the finals. Yeah, because Remco only wants the loons. That's all Remco wants. European Makers back. Yeah, live, love, legislate, everyone. Live, love, legislate. To be a beta tester for the finals. I don't remember if I joined in at beta testers or if I've joined in the first season. I think I've joined them for the first season. I don't think I was there for beta tests. All I'm for Christmas is the Graviton. Hold on, give me a second. Let me just... Three heavies, I'm all for it. 3 heavies, I want that. I have this, I guess, which I could play with as a healing beam. It would be pretty good for healing the heavies. But absolutely not. 3 heavies is way more funny. 3 heavies! Hi, the Georgia. Welcome. Welcome in the high. Welcome to this Make It Resting-ish stream, where we're gonna rest. Because we finished the video, and now we get to rest. Alright. There we go, there we go. What was the point of that shield? I don't quite understand, but I don't know why I fell down there either, actually, so I guess that's fair. They were dying already. Almost killed them, damn it. We're all dying. Hey, Make It, when's the phase reveal? Great question. I'm so glad you asked, actually. I am just... Oh, my teammates are actually really good. That's good. My teammates are actually pretty awesome. That's great news. Feels available, just having tweet pass. Hold on. My guy, why did you go this way? So I can fully ignore the question. What? Me ignoring a question? Absolutely didn't. Such a good guy. I don't want to leave live stream. Nice. Well, I mean, if you have to, you can. It's fine. I stream every day. I stream literally every day. It's not figuratively, literally. Literally.
Follow your teammate.
Up there. I don't think y'all are playing together. However... Wait, do we want B? Because A is kind of... Yeah, we just got this one. I'm fine with this, you know? I think I'm actually fine with getting this one. Wouldn't quantum bits help a lot for games? Like, for games, the goal is smallest size possible quantum bits, still more info than normal bits. I mean, you do want to shrink in technology in general, but I don't know if quantum helps. Well, I guess quantum computing, it's not as interesting as it seems. There's a fair bit of fun physics there, but it's not as interesting as it seems. Why do you always stream at this time? Not always. My stream schedule is a pretty famous mess. Well, not famous, but if there's one thing I'm known for is... Whoops. My teammates are amazing! I love you all. This is great. My teammates are truly just great.
Defend. Up here.
Defend what? Do we want 3? Okay, 4 is better. You are right. I could just go up, it's fine. There we go. Okay, we need everything to be ready for when the enemies arrive and we need to just smash their heads in. I mean, just talk with them, talk out our differences and make sure that we both understand each other. Yup. Uh-oh, that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign at all. I think there was a person up there. I did not much there. I did not do much there. Damn it. Why did it take me such a long time to track a shield down, actually? I need to be holding a shield next time I do this whole thing, because it took me too much time. I like the fact I can destroy everything in this game. That is fun. I mean, the physics engine for this game is really impressive, certainly. Oh, damn it. 200! That's not... That's unlucky. Right. I had to get down because I was dying. But it should be at least fine-ish. Oh no, I'm not there yet. Damn it. Ah, the pink was... Ah, yeah. Aye. 3025 gonna be my year. Relatable. You should play Hitman again. I like that stream was lit. Hitman, you say? I don't think I have it downloaded though. I would have to download the game. I could if you really want me to. But hold on, right now we're too busy just gaming in the finals. It's not as bad as it seems. We may not be winning like crazy, but we're not losing too much. If we deliver this, we can still win this easily.
Threat detected down there.
C4R. Go, move to cash out B.
Here's those people on the right, or is it just my schizophrenia acting up? Why couldn't I hit anything? Okay, just go, run away, team. Don't come for me, I'm gonna respond, it's fine. That was a good sacrifice. That was a good sacrifice. I like it.
Took a hit. Rock it out.
Got the cash box. Let's go. Taking damage.
Good-ish sacrifice. And not bad sacrifice. It could be worse of a sacrifice. Okay, so 120 meters is certainly not lucky. However, it could be worse. And therefore, there is nothing to worry about. That's because... Right. Okay, all we have to do is play safe now, which I am really good at. Damn it. You did steal, didn't you? I couldn't check my shield in time, because I died. Damn it! What video editing software do you use? I use Premiere Pro from Adobe. The garbage software. No, orange won't steal this. This sucks. Yeah. It was challenging, but we still could have won this if we only played a bit better. Damn it. Shucks. Are you winning, Make It? I can't tell. I am not! Thanks for pointing that out, Oreo. Okay? My goodness. Mean. Just rub it in my face. Let me reply some comments on the video. Yeah, actually so underrated. You put a bunch of work into each video and they are so interesting and educational. Thank you. I've been watching for about a year now. These are amazing. Thank you, Dexacats. What a fancy intro. Thanks, Loki. You are one of the most underrated YouTubers ever. Honestly, you teach stuff like quantum physics, much like Freeborn Brown or Mathologer would. You deserve way more subs. Thank you, Mania Life. I like this video, but it's hard to understand his voice. I know. Unfortunately. I can't change that. I don't have a backup voice. Your education content is so high quality. It's a crime not making enough sane stuff. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you so much, Crowder. Thank you so much. So winch claw, I guess I could go for charge and slam. But no, the winch claw will work just fine. Yeah, 1 second, which is over there. Oh, it's actually close to the A, that's not bad. We do have to clear all the people out of the building. Shouldn't be too challenging. Oh my goodness, you actually got them already. Oh my god, okay. That was incredible. We got them already. That's good. Okay. Cool. So far, so good. So far, so good, certainly. Oh, don't want the one to add to our A, because then we'll get a lot of money. Actually, this is fine. Actually, this is fine. What are you playing? You won't believe it, Happy. No, bad idea. You won't get in time. Yeah.
Threat detected. Up there.
Enemy down there. Enemy spotted. Down there. Watch it out.
There we go. Oh, and would you look at that? I'm in just a perfect spot to steal this now. Isn't that just nice? Because it doesn't actually... Perfect. Ow, ow. Okay, perfect-ish. Ow. Oh, we're actually in a not-so-great spot. I take it back. Listen, how about you just leave our cash out A alone and you just go for B, because it's right there. Oh, it actually worked, okay. That's good. Okay, hear me out. That worked, okay, we're winning. Must steal cash out B right away. Maybe we're not quick enough. It might work. Not even close. It was close. It was really close. You know what they say, when life gives you lemons, make Gatorade. I don't think they'll get to sea on time. I think it might just escape them. Do we really want to go this way? No, convenient. The thing is, if we do want to go this way, we are in a not bad of a spot. Cool. There are those people. Be careful. Well, I couldn't, damn it. Fortunately, C is going away from them, so it should be fine. Ah. Diabetic blood is lemonade. Life never gave us lemons. We invented them all by ourselves. I just learned that lemon isn't actually naturally occurring, and is instead a hybrid by crossbreeding a bitter orange and a citron fruit. Meaning that life never gave us lemons. We invented them all by ourselves. I know you're fighting up there, but... that worked. I can't believe that worked. Ish. Okay, that works too. And this has to work, right? I mean, why wouldn't it? Okay, cool. Mr. Walter Hyde. Oh no, my dear respond. For a second I thought he wasn't going to. What are you playing? Hi, the Dexa. I'm playing the finals. Because we've... because I'm just trying to rest. That was a bit of a misplay. That's what we in the business would call it. Go for B or go for A? Would really like to respawn our teammate. Okay, one last one, come on. It'll real on health. Can do it. There we go. Lovely. That worked. I just know that $100 trading crypto because I was too distracted by your immense gameplay. Why were you trading crypto? Dexa, $5 to print Cancer Foundation. Oh, thank you. Actually, because we started a new fundraiser, you are, I think, might be one of the first donations here. Hold on, let me just add Dixa to the, because I still have the slice of pie sheet. Hold on. Let me add Dixa. It's been a while since someone donated, actually. There we go. Yeah, I'm doing it manually because I'm a professional. Dixa. What date is it today? 12:31. It really has been a while. 2024. There we go. Thank you so much, Dixa. Thank you so much. Someone I know keeps making a joke. I can't believe 2023 was 2 showers ago. I know it was first nation more than a month. Yeah, I switched up the well, I mean, back then it was mostly just Atomic who started it. Let me show you. Because back then, Atomic basically started the chain of donations. As you can see, Atomic just kept donating insane amounts, and everyone wanted to match him, so that's why it was such a long time. Dixa. There we go. That's why it's, yeah. Well, thank you so much. Ay. Massive misplay on my part. It will be 2 years to check up. Oh, it really will be. In a month. Makes sense. It was, I think, February, early February when I started start checkups. It really will be. Can you believe that I've been doing this for almost 2 years now? That's insanity. That's great.
Removing obstacle.
I don't think there's anyone coming for us, but never mind. Egg on my face. Oh, shucks. The M makes sense for masochist. I am much newer, but I hope you become a sufficient YouTuber. So do I, actually. We're not completely all that far off, right? I just need, like... just a couple more videos. Pink house coming. This is just great. I can't get over there because pink are above me.
Thanks. Going up there. Enemy spotted up there.
Get back here. I don't have time for you, okay? I don't have time for your BS. Go gadget the rocket launcher. Damn it again! The second time. How many teams are here? Every single team is here. Oh my goodness, every single team is here. Oh, piss. Ah, piss. I couldn't grab on the edge because I was attacking. Just a couple more videos, exactly. You are like two meme people. You are like this meme where two people are mining for diamonds. Yeah, 99% of gambling addicts quit right before they hit big, so you know. They are having a blast of a party over there.
Use that zip line. Threat detected. Vault 4, move out. Danger at Vault 4.
Buddy, I hope you realize that we're slower than you, right? Okay. And pink too. Oh, screw it. Yeah, I don't wanna. Actually, don't want to anymore. There we go. Keep seeing these videos, these two guys doing song covers. They always sound like a duo of Bill Cipher from Gravity Force and either Morty from Rick and Morty or Lemongraph from Adventure Time. That's rough. Why did you chuck it all the way out there? Listen, hear me out. Just let's go for the... Ah. That worked. Okay. 10,000, that's 23,000, which is enough. However, it's going to be still close simply because right now our light has to fight 3 people. Go save the cash out. Oh, just don't go save the cash out. That also works, I guess. There we go. Yeah, I guess I could just go up. I guess I could just, like, chill right here, I think. Not the worst position. Or even lower, below the elevator, and then I can just go up into the elevator. make it good, it doesn't need a gun. Exactly! Guns are just... Guns are baby mode. I'm playing with a piece of bamboo. Yep. Don't have time for this. Can we steal it? Doubt. Yeah, I doubt we can steal this in time. Which sucks. Because that means we have to steal. Hey! Yep. 15,000. That would give us a win. However... Oh, buddy, bad idea. Such a bad idea. Because they're gonna come for you.
Going things up. Get ready for teleportation. Vanish while I'm out. Use this gateway.
I'd rather not go this way. There are people. Make it container. You make it. No, come on! It disappeared right in. Ah, piss. I got one of them.
Reloading.
Yeah.
Back in play.
I'm not gonna lie, first time I played the finals, I thought it was either Overwatch, TF2 or some hybrid of them. Hi the KD, or did you change your nickname? Ah, my lungs hurt. It's not nice. You have a CS exam in 2 hours. Good luck then. Excited to come vids, hope I can catch some more streams. So am I, dear. I am also excited for your vids. Ah. How am I doing actually? 27,000. Ah. Not good. Not good at all. Pretty bad, I would even say. There's research I did a couple weeks back. I'm afraid to check the score I got on it. You probably did fine. You probably did fine. I like watching your videos even though sometimes I don't fully understand. Well, hopefully, when I make my future videos, I will make them in a way that's proper enough so that everyone will be able to understand. 15 out of 62, told ya. Told you probably did fine. It was misuse of media and neglecting necessary of providing factual, truthful info, relating both to an enemy of Henrik Ibsen and my own research. That's interesting. How long did it take you to get to kind of get the idea of calculus? Not too long, I would say. The idea behind calculus is actually really simple. It's just the applying it that's more difficult. We hit break even. I'm no longer down 2,000. Not all to your amazing immense gameplay. You're welcome, Oreo. You're welcome. Focus on 1800s yellow journalism, Spanish American War, political ads, and the medical distrust / misinformation. Bye, Oreo. Bye. Have a good one. I think the only thing that held me back from learning calculus was being hesitant to try to begin learning it. Yeah, calculus really isn't as difficult as people think. It's really way simpler. Let's play some music, because without music it feels awfully dry. There we go. I know the derivatives from definition. Can you tell us mechanically how to do integrals? Mechanically, how do you what do you mean by mechanically? Make is like dry meat without music. Come on, mate. That's gross. Okay. Slits only has waves. So from each of these slits will here's the left slit. Here's the right slit. Now as these You're spending too much time thinking about what Happy said, okay? Happy's messages are not made to be thought of for this long. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, just had to put my nose a bit. Left out table of some integrals. Derivatives or a table of simpler integrals. How to? I don't quite understand. Still don't quite understand what you mean, Farmine. Do you mean like? Hold on. Do you mean like this kind of definition for derivatives? No, this should be h. 0 of h f of x plus h minus f of x. You mean this kind of thing except for derivatives? Well, as far as I'm aware, there isn't one actually. Because integrals are just... Well, then for integrals, it would be like... well, this is already it. This is already the definition. However, if you want to stretch it out, I guess it would be like a sum of... It's a continuous sum. This is already it. Which basically just means a continuous sum of all the functions multiplied by the x. There really isn't a much way to simplify it more. Like, this effectively translates to h is just dx, and this is just dy. So this is just a way to stretch this out the limit. Right here, I don't think there is a way. What do we actually see on the wall? The answer was I don't understand is this sum symbol and the numbers around it. Could you explain that possibly? Sum symbol? Well, that's easy. I do believe it's sum n equals 0 to 5, for example, of g of n, right? If you have something like this, then what this basically means is g of 0 plus g of 1 plus g of 2 dot 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 plus g of 5. Basically, these two are equivalent. The only difference is notation. So right here, we're basically just... right here, we're just writing this all out with the dot 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 in between them. But what sum means is this basically just means adding them all together. So this effectively translates to plus dot 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 plus dot 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 plus dot dot dot. On the very down in the bottom you have n, for example. You could use something else than n, but n is the standard, is equal to something like 0, for example. What does n mean? N just means number. You can use whatever you want. You can use k, you can use m, you can use, I don't know, but I forgot every single lambda, for example, if you wanted to. You can use a smiley face if you're really into that sort of thing. But n just stands for a number. You sound like one of them computer lizards for some reason. That's because I'm sick. That's why. I'm sorry. Is the number the starting number something? Yes, that's what you start with. So n tells you where you start with, and the top tells you where you finish. And then you just add all of them in between. Oh yeah, Lemon. Oh yeah, Katie was talking to you. Sorry, Lemon. Oh my goodness. I can feel in my bones that this is going to be the last day of me being sick. But still, it's tough. The loving mouth of computer science. Hi, the Kukurytka, welcome. How much money would one have to donate for you to delete that entire script? You do realize I would just rewrite it, right? This wouldn't be difficult for me. $500. A high price, because it's mildly annoying that we'll have to delete it. Do eat more cis or trans fatty acids. Dumb joke, but I'm all for it. ESDF. ESDF. Oh, so you just offset it. Why? What's the point? Like a magnet. How does the sum interact with the number is attached to? I know how to explain it. It doesn't. This is just notation. That's how you should think of it, Deixa. You should just think of it as notation. So whenever you see a sum like this, n is equal to some number. So this, let's just do it as like an orange box to represent some number. And then right here, a yellow box. Actually, no, let's do n0 for the sake of it. And let's do to some numbers. So let's just say 17 of some g of n. Then the way you can imagine it is right here. This is just equal to g of 0 plus g of 1 plus g of 2 dot 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 g of 17. And the thing is g of n a function? It is, but that's just meant there to represent something. So for example, it could also be n, just n. It could just be n, in which case it would be 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 17. It could also be, I don't know, n squared, in which case all of these would be squared. Blueberry is solid. Blueberry is solid. If I had to make a list of top 10 fruits, blueberries would be there. So it's like adding a function to itself multiple times but of different values for x. It's this basically, Deixa. This. Exactly this. The thing is, right here, this is not like roughly. No, this is equality. This is equal. This is exactly what this means. So, for example, if you have a sum, there is no difference between these two. The only difference is notation. So if you do something like this, I don't know, 4, let's do 4 cubed plus 5 cubed plus 6 cubed plus 7 cubed plus 8 cubed plus 9 cubed. Do you understand this equation, Deixa? Okay, you do. So basically, you take, to represent these sums, right, all of them, to represent all of them, you use the sum symbol, then n is equal to, once again, it could be anything, it could be nk, this is just meant to represent a number, n represents the starting number, so this one, which is 4, and then on top we have the finish number, which is 9. And then this is just the equation of n, because this is the number that's changing, cubed. All makes sense now. Okay, I'm glad that I could help them. Kukurytka means blueberry in Slovak. That's interesting. Well, give me a second. Let me just. Boy, oh boy, is it fun being sick. Isn't that basically a function, make it? No. It's a sum. What mic do you use to record your vids? I don't know, honestly. I don't know. Make it, why do you choose to do YouTube instead of working as a scientist or a researcher? I just like it, I'll be honest, I like doing YouTube. That's kind of it, I just like... I'm a bit of a showman, you know? I like to put up a good show. And that's something I just wouldn't get from being a researcher. I need style. And get knocked off. Yes. Making another video of Jinso's improve. I found was absolute piss and then one the PDF was too complicated for me. I found a thing from some university. I'm considering asking for one on mathematics tag exchange depending on how pretentious the site wants to be tomorrow. It's always gonna be pretentious, Lemon. Although to be fair, mathematics stack exchange isn't too bad. It's not as bad as it could be. It's not as pretentious as Stack Overflow, exactly. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, some art of assorted lemons. That sounds great. You know what? I feel like I'm going to cut this stream short because my cold is making it really hard for me to talk. I will probably make another stream later on that's going to be longer when we'll actually start working on this video. So I'm gonna go now, script some more videos, and for now, I suppose that might be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.